Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hey everyone! Today we're talking about grilled squid and how to get it tender, not rubbery. I'll show you the right squid to buy, how to prep it, and a simple marinade that works every time. Rubbery squid is the seafood version of chewing on a pencil eraser. If you've been burned by tough calamari before, you're not alone. The good news is that grilled squid is one of the easiest ways to get it right, because grilling is fast, hot, and flavorful. In this guide, you'll learn how to buy the right squid, how to clean it, or what to buy to skip that step, and a simple marinade that won't wreck the texture. Then we'll walk through grill timing and doneness cues, plus a few low-effort serving ideas that turn grilled squid into dinner. Start with the right squid, what to buy, how to clean it, and why size matters. Great grilled squid starts at the store, not at the grill. Squid is mild, so any off smell will show up fast once it's cooked. Look for these cues when shopping. Smell, clean and briny, like the ocean, not sour or fishy. Texture, firm and springy, not slimy. Color, white to pale pink tubes are common. Light purple skin is normal. Avoid yellowing or dry edges. Size matters more than most people think. Very small squid can overcook in seconds, and giant squid can be thick and uneven. For grilling, medium squid, often 4 to 8 inches long for the tube, is the easiest to control. It lays flatter on the grates, chars nicely, and cooks through quickly. If you're buying squid tubes and tentacles separately, choose tubes that feel evenly thick. Thin ends can dry out if you cook everything the same time, so you may want to cut long tubes into shorter pieces for even heat. Fresh versus frozen squid, and what calamari means at the store. Here's a surprise. Most fresh squid at the seafood counter was previously frozen, then thawed. That's not a bad thing. Frozen squid can be excellent, because it's usually frozen soon after catch. Calamari on the label often just means squid sold for cooking, and sometimes it's cut from the tube. It doesn't guarantee a special species or quality grade, so rely on smell and texture first. For frozen squid, pick packages with minimal frost and no big ice crystals inside, which can hint at thawing and refreezing. Safe thawing that keeps texture strong. Best method, thaw overnight in the fridge on a plate. Faster method, sealed bag in cold water, changing water every 30 minutes. Once thawed, drain well and pat dry. Water on the surface causes steaming, and steaming is the enemy of good char. Easy cleaning steps, or how to prep if it's already cleaned. If you can buy pre-cleaned tubes and tentacles, do it. It saves time and still grills beautifully. If you're starting with whole squid, cleaning is quick after you've done it once. That's it for part 1. You've got the basics on buying and prepping squid. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover grilling tips, cooked times, and serving ideas that make it taste amazing. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.